প্ৰকৃততে পৰ্যটক বুলি ক'ব পাৰে মোৰ গৱেষণা কামত মই ইয়ালৈ আহিছোঁ হামৰেনলৈ আৰু সৌভাগ্যক্ৰমে মই সাৰ্ভে সময়ত আপোনালোকৰ ৰিচো যি কাৰ্বি ৰজা তেখেতকো লগ কৰিবলৈ সৌভাগ্য হ'ল আমাৰ তিনিজনৰ তেখেতৰ মন্ত্ৰী পৰিষদক লগ পালোঁ আৰু শুনিলোঁ যে কাৰ্বিসকলৰ ইউথ ফেষ্টিভেল চলি আছে আহিলোঁ কাৰ্বি আহাৰ আমি গ্ৰহণ কৰিলোঁ ভাল লাগিল সুস্বাদু তাৰপিছত অৰ্গেনাইজিং কমিটিক লগ পালোঁ ইংটি ছাৰ আছে ইংটি ছাৰক লগ পালোঁ আপোনালোকৰ MEC ছাৰ আছে তেওঁলোকে আমাক ধুনীয়াকৈ আতিথ্য দিলে গোটেই পৰিৱেশটো চাই সঁচাকৈ আমি আপ্লুত হৈছোঁ ভাল লাগিল আশা ৰাখিছোঁ অনাগত সময়বিলাকতো কাৰ্বিসকলৰ এনেকুৱা অনুষ্ঠানবিলাক যি কাৰ্বি সংস্কৃতিক সমৃদ্ধ কৰে এনেকুৱা অনুষ্ঠান হৈ থাকে আৰু কাৰ্বি জাতি দীৰ্ঘায়ু হওক ধন্যবাদ This is my first time visit. Actually, I am conducting my research work. My topic is rural livelihood diversification in the hill zone of Assam. I came for my survey and I am very much fascinated by your hospitality. Culture, the rich cultural diversity, obviously the hospitality of people, and I'm very much fascinated by your you have organized this kind of beautiful event. I'm very much fascinated.
Where are you come from?
I'm from charaideo district. I'm working in Women's College Tinsukia. My subject is economics. Sorry?
All same district?
Yeah. She's my sibling and my hubby. He's my hubby. We are from same district. He's also a teacher. She is in district administration, Sibsagar. West Karbi Anglong is endowed with beautiful hills, then agricultural practices, then these waterfalls. Please try to develop the tourism industry over here. We'd love to visit if it will become a beautiful tourist destination.
What about road condition, ma'am?
It's a little bit pathetic. I think your Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is taking initiative to make it a smooth road. Obviously, then tourists will get They will visit here frequently. Okay, thank you.
This is my first visit to Karbi Anglong. So I am very lucky enough to attend this youth festival. Although I'm not so familiar with Karbi rituals, Karbi cultures, but I came to know whenever I got the chance to assimilate with Karbi people, I have got lucky to meet the Richo and MEC sir, and this event Karbi Youth Festivals is very fascinating and very lively. People are very hospitable. They are very lovely people. They always welcome tourist guests, and although I have come first, this is my first visit, I feel like I know them for several years. They are very loving, they are very warm people, and this people are dress is very beautiful dress, male female both dresses are very beautiful, they look beautiful, the culture is beautiful, and there's artifacts. I also collect some artifacts. I love to collect. Karbi artifacts is also very good. Thank you.
No, actually my name is Pyo Singh. I'm a teacher actually, so I'm also from charaideo. And today we got a chance to visit this place, this very beautiful youth festival that your community have organized. So we are very thankful to your people that they give us hospitality, and we got to know many things from them. And today we also visited your king's house also. We met him, and we are so lucky for that also. And I think this Karbi festival has played a very important role to promote the Karbi culture in Assam or throughout India. So this kind of festival must be organized by every tribal community nowadays in Assam, because all are becoming very endangered. Their culture, their language, all are endangered. So this type of organized ceremony can help every tribal community to promote their own culture and everything. Thank you very much.